Let's take a look at the last few days on my master composite chart here. I've got the rainbow ribbon, the 11 panels, the A1 to A6, the B1, 2, 3, the C1 and C2, and then I've also added the two master planet ribbons to the chart, MP1 and MP2, and then I've got the pH at the bottom, pH 1, 2, and 3. So I look at these together, I can see them all at the same time and work out the important time points for potential trade setups. So I've got some key points marked out coming off the high on the 31st of January here. You can see I've got these two vertical lines marking out these highs. We had this large green window on MP2, the bright green. The bright green and the white are our key indications for highs and lows. Green is more favorable to new highs. White is more favorable to new lows, but it's only a slight advantage. It doesn't mean you're going to always get one or the other. You could get either, but you can see what's coming based on the price action. We were moving sharply up into this high. We had confirmation on A1, A2, then A3 and A4 came in, giving us the secondary high here as we move down off of that. And then you can see the next key place was this larger white window on B3 with the green on the B2. Let me bring that up into view here. Should change to the arrow. And you can see how we had this key overlap in here with the white confirmation on the B1, then the green B2 over the white window. So generally our low is going to be favored in the white window, and then when we have confirmation from the other two, B1 and B2, that's going to fine-tune where that low should come in, and it did. The low came in there, we had a retest here, and then that was the launch pad for that push back to the upside. Now when we had the initial strong retracement low, that came in at the end of the morning segment here on the 3rd on the PH3. That's always an important time of day to watch, because once or twice a week you're going to get a key intraday high or low at that level, at that time rather, and that's what happened here on the 3rd. Notice how we had the high come in on the green MP1 window here. The low came in on the white MP1 window here, that master planet windows. Always very important. Note the bright green window here brought in the next high, which basically a double top with the prior green window high. This white window was in the quiet time of the market, like the 10 o'clock to 1 a.m. area at night Eastern time. Then we had this bottom come in here in this white B3 window. And then the two that we're looking at for the morning, we've got this window here, then we've got this white window coming up, and we're working this larger green window on the B3. So we've got more timing indications coming up later, but for this morning, these two are going to be key. And then the end of that morning segment right here, the light purple also falls in that window, so that's going to be an important window here this morning to watch for. And that it's about 10:28. The window is from about 10:07 to 11:30, 11:35 this morning. So that's the key window coming up. So that's a look at that. This has been very solid since its inception when this came back out in 2020 or whatever. these are the best intraday timing indications out there.